Hello YouTube, I am back with another video, and in today's video we are going to talk about the high income skill high ticket closing. Before getting started, happy Diwali to all of my Indian viewers, and in this video we are going to talk about high ticket closing. Now closing is a form of sales where you close deals of and high ticket closing is when you sell high prices high price premium products to people. That is high ticket closing. So in this video we are going to dive very deep into this particular topic, so watch the whole video so you don't miss out anything. Before getting started, I want to tell you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to do that because I put out videos like this every 2 days, and there are many more high income skills on their way to meet you. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, let me give you a quick meaning of what is high ticket closing. High ticket closing is when you help buyers understand what they are buying and close the deal with them while selling premium products. For example, if you are a client who is convinced to buy a company's products, now the company's products may be worth $10,000. Yes, $10,000, that is a very big amount. So if you are investing that much amount, you need to be convinced. So I, as a high ticket closer, will be there to convince you to buy the company's products, and for that I will get compensation. Now the compensations can range from different percentage. So consider the compensation of this $10,000 product is 10%, which is $1,000. So if I convince you to buy that product and you buy it, then I will get $1,000 as compensation. That is high ticket closing. Now the concept may be clear to you. Now I will tell you how you can start your high ticket closing business, or how you can step into the high ticket closing zone. Now before telling you how you can start your high ticket closing business, I will first show you some proof to show you that high ticket closing is really a high income skill and you can earn a lot if you do it the right way. So here is some proof. Now that you have seen the proof, I will tell you how you can start your high ticket closing business. Now for the basics, you need to understand what is high ticket closing. And now if you do understand high ticket closing after watching the video, of course, now if you choose high ticket closing as your high income skill, first thing you gotta do is understand how sales process works, and not the traditional way of sales. This is closing. In closing, closers sell with empathy. You put yourself in your client's shoes and think like them, and then convince them to buy your product. Now, this is pretty hard to learn, to convince a human to listen to you and invest a lot of money in something. The second thing you gotta do after understanding how sales and closing works, now you have to talk to some people and close for them, or you can sell your own products to people. For example, you must have heard the famous dialogue, sell me this pen, sell me this pen. So you can also sell me a pen in the comments down below, but listen to this. First, you gotta sell low ticket products. Selling low ticket products is easier than selling high ticket products. Then you're gonna sell medium ticket products, and then you are gonna make your way up to high ticket products that are way different than low ticket and medium ticket products. Now, what is a high ticket product? A high ticket product is which whose price is over $1,000. So over $1,000, for example, consider an iPhone. But iPhone is a very big, Apple is a very big brand, and it does not convince you to buy its products. It does persuade you to buy its products with its ads, but it does not hire closers to convince you to buy its products. But that is not that is not the case with other companies. Other companies can hire you to talk to other people, their clients to close the deal with them and to convince them to buy their premium products. So if you can sell their premium products, like the example I gave you, the $10,000 products, I got a $1,000 compensation. If I close 10 deals like that a month, it doesn't take a lot of time. It takes like half an hour to talk on phone, just on phone. So if I close 10 deals like that, I will hit very easily a six-figure income every year. So a six-figure income every year is not much of a big deal for a high ticket closer. So if you have chosen high ticket closing as your high income skill, comment down below, and if you have any questions, then I will answer them in a whole other video or the comment sections. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to do that and click the bell icon. Don't forget that, click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Be sure to like it. Until next time, this is the Business Boy taking you towards your financial freedom.